Hello students, welcome to my channel. Here's a question for class 11th related with arithmetical progressions. If an if A and B the nth term of an AP, A and एक AP की nth term है, and if the value of A7 is equal to 15, A7 is equal to 15 दे रखी है, then find the value of common difference. उस common difference की value निकालनी है. That would be make the product A2 into A7 इंटू A12 ग्रेटेस्ट उनके मल्टीपल सबसे ज्यादा हो जाए ऐसे कॉमन डिफरेंस वाली एक सीरीज बताइए जिसमें A7 की वैल्यू अगर ऐसी आती है तो वो कॉमन डिफरेंस कौन से सीरीज वाली कौन सी एक ऐसी सीरीज होगी जिसका कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐसा होगा कि इनकी प्रोडक्ट A2 इंटू A7 A12 मैक्सिमम हो. कंडीशन ये कि A7 इज गिवन टू अस 15. वी आर गिवन लेट अस सपोज दिस एन A plus D, this is second term, A plus 3D, that is third term, first, second and third, this is 2D, and so on, so on. So that AN can be written as A plus n minus 1 into D, where D is the common difference. It is to be found. ये हमें find करना है. Condition ये है that A7 is given to us, that is value, the value of A7 is equal to 15 दे रखी, that is actually equal to 60. This value is given to us. Okay, now we have to find the value of this product to be maximum for what value of D. Okay, अब product निकालते हैं. A2, this can be written as second term से A plus D. Okay, it means this can also be written as, because A7 is given to us, so that if we are writing here A in terms of A7 we can convert A2 को A7 के रूप में convert कीजिए. यहाँ 6D है, यहाँ सिंगल D है, तो अगर इसमें 5D जोड़ दे तो 6D हो जाएगा, तो 5D घटा दीजिए. It can be written as A plus 6D minus 5D. Okay, A plus 6D minus 5. Single D बचा, that is A7 minus 5D. Okay, and A7 is given to us 50, can be written as 50 minus 5D. Or A2, this will be 5 into 3 minus single D. Okay, this is the value of A2. Correct? Now A7 itself is given to us. No, कोई जरूरत नहीं इसको दोबारा कैलकुलेट. A7 itself is given to us, क्योंकि हम दोनों चीजें A7 की वैल्यू दी, इसलिए A2 को भी A7 के रूप में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और A12 को भी A7 के रूप में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि A7 की वैल्यू दे रखी है. Now A12, because A7 is given to us, so that we have to find the value of A2 as well as of A12 in terms of A7, so that we can place the value of A7 equal to 15 in that position. Now A12 can be written as per formula A plus 11D, that is A plus 6D plus 5D. Now this portion further is equal to A7, and A7 is equal to 15. It means it can be written as A7 plus 5D. It means 50 plus 5D, and then 5 further common ले लें तो A12 will be equal to 5 into 3 plus 5D. Okay, now this is the value of A12. This is the value of A12. Okay, A12 is given to us. Now the product, the product of all these three was A2 into A7 into A12. Condition for this to be maximum is to be found for the value of D, a particular value of D. A2 is equal to this 5 into 3 minus D into A7 is equal to 15. Okay, and A12 is equal to 5 into 3 plus 5d, 3 plus d, 3 plus 5d, 3 plus d, 5 is taken common, 3 plus d. Okay, then this will be equal to 15 5s are 75, 75 3s are 5s are 15 into 25, that is 375. 375 into 3 minus d into 3 plus d. Okay, this is equal to 375 into 3 square minus d square. Okay, this will be equal to 375. This will be maximum only in the case when d is equal to 0. And because this is multiplied, this will get here. What we will get here? 3 से 9 से गुणा करेंगे. 9 5s are 45. Carry 4. 9 7s are 63 plus 4 67. Carry 6. 9 3s are 27 and 6 33 minus 375d square. Okay. अब आप देखिए, the value of this product is equal to this. This will be maximum only for the case when this portion is 0, and this can be 0 only if d is 0. ये अगर एक भी हो जाएगा d तो 375 इसकी वैल्यू में से घटाना पड़ेगा. अगर d की वैल्यू एक भी हो जाती है, अगर d की वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी तो इसमें से कुछ नहीं घटाना पड़ेगा, and the product will be 375. Okay, so that the value of d will be equal to 0. That will be the answer. Answer is equal to d should be 0. Okay, बस this was the question. अच्छा लगा होगा. Thanks for watching my video. समझ में आया? Thank you. Keep joining my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, अच्छे क्वेश्चंस और मैं लेके आऊंगी. Good night. Good luck for you. Okay, good night.